So here's our timer setup. What we're going to do is we have a timer. It's not working, so we got to send it back. Anyways, it's going to water the tomatoes at 7 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 7 at night. That's the perfect time to water it. What it does is that little pump in there comes up, gets into this spaghetti line, and then the spaghetti line will feed the water to the plants. Now there's a little bit of residual water that's in here. It never gets above the bulkhead fitting, which is right at the bottom of this pipe. And so anyways, the whole string goes through there. What we do is we use painter's mesh. And the painter's mesh is what's going to hold the growing medium. We don't use soil because aquaponics is soilless. So what you do is you turn around and you put in perlite. Perlite is a volcanic rock. We'll go for a walk. I'll show it to you. Anyways, a small bag of perlite will cost you anywhere from $40 to $50. Well, anyways, I went out to Phoenix and I found a supplier. Told them what I was doing, and they said, "Oh man, we don't normally sell to the public, but we'll hook you up." So, anyways, they gave us that big old bag for $100. Good deal. Anyways, inside you can see all the little droplets. See all the little droplets that's in there? Anyways, it holds moisture. Perlite is the stuff that you guys will find inside your guys' fertilizer. And what it does is it maintains the moisture, but it makes a perfect medium to grow in. It's like a little volcanic rock. So anyways, that's what we're going to be using for the tomatoes and the peppers and stuff, because they're a stemmy plant. They're nitrogen hogs. So what they're going to do is they're going to turn around and they're going to be able to grow in that because they're a stemming. Because they are a stemming or a vining plant, they steal a lot of nitrogen and stuff, and they need to grow vertically, and so it needs some kind of medium to put in there. You can't just float those like your leafy greens and that kind of stuff. Anyway, so that's what we got going. So we're going to start washing perlite, and we're going to start filling buckets. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a beautiful day. Be blessed. What a gorgeous day today. Partly cloudy. It's like 85 degrees in the greenhouse. It's perfect. Anyways, many blessings.